This makeup look works no matter what you're doing, eating laddus, flying kites or just existing. Hi guys, I'm Ritu. You are watching me on Be Beautiful. One of my favorite festivals of the year is upon us, Makar Sankranti. For me, it's all about getting a fresh start, entering the new year with hope and gratitude and fresh and glowy skin. Across India, people celebrate in their own unique ways with festivals such as Pongal, Bihu and Lohri. So let me show you an easy but fresh looking makeup look that will complement every version of this celebration. I love to begin with the eyes just in case I get any fallout. It is way easier to fix at this stage. For an Indian festive look, I love to use a lot of kajal which complements the dress and the jewelry. I start by creating a tiny smoked out wing. Then set it in place with the black eyeshadow and blend that black eyeshadow with the brown eyeshadow for a blended out wing. I'm going to place some shimmer on my eyelid and a little amount of shimmer on my inner corner. Finish off with nicely curled lashes and mascara. Fresh looking skin is the goal for this makeup look. A blurring oil control primer like the Lakmē Blur Effect Primer will help us in applying less foundation and powder. I love using a DIY skin tint. I mix my Lakmē 9 to 5 Higher Matte Foundation with a moisturizer for a more natural finish. Skin tints are best applied with the hand. Applying concealer only where I need it the most. Blending it out by tapping it. Using a generous amount of cream blush to give my skin that flushed look. Use a red or pink tone blush because they mimic the natural flush of the skin in winter and that makes your skin look healthy. Glowy highlighter to top it off. Setting the makeup with the Lakmē Vitamin C Compact. Placing a less amount strategically with the brush only where the makeup moves the most, the under eyes, nose and the forehead. Going to use a contour like lip liner to enhance the shape. Use the same blush on the lips to get a monochromatic look. Top it off with a lip balm or a gloss because it is winter after all and we need hydrated lips to enjoy the day. You can apply a lip tint underneath which will give you a long lasting color throughout the day and you can keep topping it off with gloss throughout the day because let's be real, the main focus of the day is food. We celebrate Makar Sankranti mainly by eating. We eat a lot of deep fried food, lot of sesame based foods, lot of pakoras. My grandfather used to call me early in the morning, be like, you have to be there, and then like all of the family would get together and we would just sit around and eat and laugh and talk and it's such a cherished memory of mine and I try to recreate with my daughter. Let's add some more kajal. And this is the final look. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Be Beautiful. Wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.